Here's a powerful technique to quickly release any kind of energy blocks in your body. Here's the thing, okay, if you've ever had a heartbreak, suffering, any kind of pain, all that gets stored in different areas of your body energetically, and they hold you back. So you need to release them. So here's one way you can do it. Let's say you've experienced a breakup, then negative energy is stuck in your heart. So what you do, step number one, set an intention. Higher power, God, universe, please help me remove all the energy, the trapped energy, the pain that's in my heart. That's number one. Second, imagine this white light coming down, filling your entire body up, and filling your arms with this light. Left or right arm, you can pick whatever. And you're turning this arm now into a sword. And the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use this and you're just kind of cut all the energy that's trapped in your heart. It's kind of like you're clearing, you're cutting it. You know, you're doing that. And when you're done, you're scooping it out. And you're scooping out all the negative energy that's in your heart. You're getting it, and you're throwing it either down to the ground or up to the sky to be released. And the final step, whatever you remove, you have to replace. Just imagine more white light or purple coming down, filling up your entire heart, replacing all the darkness and the pain that was there, rejuvenating it and bringing it back to whole.